What's up, guys? B-Rob here, and today I have a quick tip for you. This is very useful. I'll be right back. So have you ever gotten your container of protein powder or creatine or collagen or whatever in the mail, and you got it, you rip the box open and you open up the container and you can't find your scooper because it's somewhere in the bottom? What do you do, right? So in this quick tip today, I'm going to show you how to use a simple pair of kitchen tongs, and we're going to go ahead and get that scooper out. And so here we go. So basically, make sure that your tongs are clean. Make sure your hands are clean too, just in case. And you just use your tongs and dig in there and try to find it. And as you can see here, I put my tongs back on the top of the container just to make sure to keep them clean. And so you definitely don't want to be digging in here with your hands and getting all the powder on your hands. So it's a waste of powder, but also, you don't want to contaminate your product here either. So I like to use these tongs that have an opening at the bottom. That way the powder I can kind of sift through the powder and it's not really pushing against something. So this makes it a little easier, and voila, found the scoop just like that. So hopefully this helped you. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for tuning in. This is B-Rob.